You work hard every day at Laguna Technopark, building businesses and creating opportunities for others. But where do you go home to recharge? Imagine living just minutes away from Laguna Technopark in this kind of community which is designed for leaders like you. So we're here right now in Trava. Nakikita nyo sa likod ko itong ating ongoing construction. Almost 90 to 98% na itong finish nitong ating clubhouse, which is in the future ma-enjoy ninyo kapag dito kayo tumira sa Trava. And currently we have an inventory in phase 1 but we are now open in phase 2. Pwede na po tayo mag-invest. Kung makikita nyo dito sa ating video o nakikita ko mismo right now dito sa Trava, it is ongoing land development, which is a very best time para mag-invest dito sa Trava. And right now, I'm sharing with you guys what Trava will look like and what it feels to live here. Lalo na if you are someone who is a business owner, especially here in Laguna Technopark, or you are someone planning to expand your business here in Laguna. Time is the one thing you can't buy, and everyone agrees with that. And as I mentioned earlier, Trava is just 10 minutes away from Laguna Technopark. Means living here in Trava cut down the hours away wasted in traffic and more time with your family. Trava is also connected with SLEX and Calax. It means this is the perfect place to balance the business and personal life. Right now guys, isa sa mga na-feel ko, sa mga namimit ko na clients, especially business owners just like you, is they really value more the peace of mind. Aside from that is their balance, na hindi lang puro work, at the same time dapat mas na-feel din nila at least 2 oras, 3 oras sa isang araw na hindi napupuno lang ng work. So isa sa mga binavalue din ng mga buyers natin dito sa Trava is yung balance. And before living in this kind of developments, the only choice you have, the only options you have is living in Makati, Manila, which is we all know what those city looks like now, no? So kung sobrang congested and di mo na-feel na sobrang dami mong nawi-waste na oras para sa mga ibang bagay, which is nalilimutan mo na yung about sa personal life mo, which living here in Trava gives you a balance. That's the real luxury. Trava again is connected to SLEX and Calax. So meaning, going to Manila or BGC will take you under an hour only. So, pwede pa rin naman kayong umattend ng mga meeting para sa mga kapwa nyo business owners or investors for your business. So, what I want to say is sobrang accessible pa rin ito na akala ng iba sobrang layo ng Laguna. So, especially for those of you guys na ang business is located dito sa Laguna Technopark, literally 10 minutes away lang. So, at least this time you may consider this place also and makita nyo gaano ka-premium yung mga developments dito sa area. As a business owners, reputation means everything. And Trava isn't just a home. It's a statement with wide 3-lined roads and a select homeowners only with a privacy that reflects the prestige of your business you built. Again, Trava understand people like you. So, meaning this development, they really built in terms of exclusivity, prestige, accessibility, which is lahat na kailangan ng isang business owners. In terms of exclusivity guys, in Trava alone guys, we only have phase 1 and phase 2. Nothing more. Wala tayong na-expect dito na extension dito, extension dyan. So meaning, this is just a few homeowners lang talaga in the future. It's not a ghost community. Right now, dito sa Trava, at least 10 to 12 houses na ang itinatayo dito. So ngayon pa lang, nai-imagine nyo na guys kung gaano ka-active yung magiging lifestyle nyo dito, kung gaano ka-exclusive yung magiging members lang or magiging homeowners lang dito sa Trava. Dahil wala nga itong extension, kung ano lang yung nasa lot na phase 1 and phase 2, that's the only lot available for Trava. And when it's gone forever. As a leaders, health and energy are the key. Trava was designed with sustainability in mind, solar-powered ready homes, underground utilities, lush parks, and it's not just about luxury. It's a smart living for a long-term wellness. So as you can see, Trava really understand people like you. They develop this kind of village, which is they know na in terms of business, in terms of success, one important thing with you is your well-being. So being maintained your body and connected to nature will give us more time to enjoy life. That's why they built this development, 100% underground utilities, so hindi makakaharang sa mata natin in the future yung mga wirings. And also, they built a jogging path. Kung makikita nyo dito sa village, meron din tayong bike lane, so you can bike around with your kids. Also, they can bike also here in the village. Hindi na kailangan pa mag-alala kung safe ba yung mga bata dito or kayo, safe ba kayo na makakapag-bike. So dito, mas makakapag-bike kayo outside, maarawan kayo, and at the same time, you are inside the village. Kung hindi mo naman kailangan lumabas. Okay? But if you want to explore more, marami tayong mga bikers na kilala dyan. Napakalapit lang going to Tagaytay. So at the same time, nakapag-exercise ka na and nakapag-sightseeing ka pa sa Tagaytay. So that's one thing. But the point is, Trava understand people like you. They really value not just the status, the statement, or the lot sizes here, but they value more of your well-being. They really value your wellness and your peace of mind. You want to grow your kids in a safe and inspiring place. Trava offers security, exclusivity, and a community for a fellow leaders just like you. People you can network with, collaborate with, or you can grow alongside. Living here in Trava just not means you're connected with nature, but you are also connected with the right people with the same mindset as you. Just like you, a business owners in Laguna Technopark and also in Manila who is thinking also to expand their business and also you may collaborate with. To be honest, napakahalaga na may ganito kang neighbors. No? Hindi lahat nagkakaroon ng access sa mga kaganitong uri ng tao, mga leaders na mga nagbibuild ng mga successful business dito sa ating bansa. And dito sa Trava, they are giving you that kind of community. So dito, you are not just getting exclusivity, privacy, you are getting also a good and healthy community. I can guarantee that. Because ngayon pa lang makikita na natin yung mga buyers natin dito, mga investors, makikita nyo nagtatayo sila ng bahay nila. They are not buying here just because they want to have an investment lot, but they are also planning here na tumira talaga dito sa Trava that you can get along with and you can get this kind of community by living here in Trava. So that's what Trava offers also. Whether you are hosting a client event in the clubhouse, working out at the gym, or relaxing by the pool, Trava provides amenities that match the lifestyle of a business owners and leaders like you. As you can see right now, we're here in the clubhouse of Trava. Makikita nyo, right now, it is ongoing construction but almost finished na. As you can see, na swimming pool nasa likod ko. And also, nandito tayo ngayon sa event hall kung saan you can also host an event. Here, if ako nagkakamali, at least ganito kalaki, at least 100 to 200 packs. So, ko-confirm ko na lang. No? But again, in this kind of place, imagine you're living here in Trava and you're hosting an event here, sobrang lapit lang. Pwede mo pang invite yung inyong clients, yung investors also, and your family if you have a family gathering. And in terms of the swimming pool naman guys, makikita nyo, meron tayong kiddie pool, lap pool, and may enjoy nito during weekends. So hindi nyo na kailangan pang pumunta sa ibang lugar. No, just like yung nakasanayan ninyo sa Manila, you are going here in Batangas or Laguna just to relax. But dito sa Trava, you can relax too. And also, you can have a bonding with your family. If you have more time, kagaya na sinabi ko, you are just 10 minutes away from Laguna Technopark, then you can have more time and you can have more time bonding with your family and with this kind of place. When you are buying in this kind of developments, for me and some of my clients, no, they really not just value the return of their money, the ROI, but they value more in peace of mind, family security, and the well-being kapag nakatira ka dito sa Trava. So yun yung kanilang mga binavalue, and I think Trava really understand that, Greenfield understand that. So yung mga kagaya nyo na leaders, business owners, perfect na perfect talaga itong lugar nito para mas ma-maximize ninyo yung inyong buhay. Also, you can save time, you can have bonding with your family, and meron pa kayong ganito kagandang clubhouse na built-in mismo sa village ninyo. opportunities like these are rare. Prime lots are very limited here in Trava, and also the property values are still rising. Don't wait until the market prices you out. Let's schedule a site visit so you can experience the difference firsthand. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to know more about Trava, all you need to do is contact us on the numbers flashing on the screen. That is 639-6960-20739. It has a Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage para sa ating mga kababayan working abroad. And still, guys, I want to thank all of you guys sa pagsuporta dito sa ating YouTube channel. We are now monetized na dito sa ating YouTube channel. Kahit papano is nakakatulong na rin na sa maliit na amount man lang, no, makakatulong na itong sa pag-grow ng ating channel. And a simple comment and like will help this channel also. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for still supporting our video. Until our next one. Bye!